Spectrum routers, commonly used for cable internet, feature a reset button primarily for troubleshooting connectivity issues. This button offers two key functions: reboot and factory reset. A brief press, 5 to 10 seconds, initiates a reboot, similar to unplugging and replugging the device. This clears temporary memory, refreshes the connection, and often resolves minor glitches like IP conflicts or slow speeds. Holding the button for 30 seconds or more performs a factory reset, erasing all custom settings like Wi-Fi passwords and returning the router to its original state. The button is typically recessed to prevent accidental presses, and some models may require a paperclip to access it. Use the reboot function for temporary fixes, such as dropped connections or lagging performance. It's the first step in troubleshooting most common issues. A factory reset is reserved for more severe problems, like persistent configuration errors, suspected malware infections, or when setting up a mesh network. Keep in mind that a factory reset will erase all custom settings, requiring you to reconfigure your Wi-Fi and other preferences. While a reboot resolves 75% of issues, experts recommend reserving factory resets for severe cases to avoid unnecessary data loss and potential ISP throttling from overuse. Cybersecurity experts also note that factory resets are essential for purging entrenched malware following a security breach.